What's in the box? Hello everyone. Today I will unbox the V15AFL product with you and show you how to set up and use the V15AFL. First of all, we are going to reveal what's hidden inside this mysterious box. Let's take a look together. V15AFL. User manual. Warranty card. That's all things in the box. Now let's try to use V15AFL together. How to install V15AFL? We can see that there is a splint on the bottom of the V15AFL, which can be adjusted to different angles. The adjustable splint is not only tripod compatible, but also attaches to various locations. Of course, you can also use it even if you put it on the tabletop. Step 1. Clamp the splint onto the top of computer monitor. Step 2. Plug in the USB cable into the computer. V15AFL is compatible with computer systems including Windows, Mac and Linux. How to set up V15AFL? Open the meeting or live streaming software and go to the settings page. Under the video device options, select V15AFL as the default camera. The microphone setup is similar as well. Save the settings to enable the meeting or live stream. You can switch the camera on off and adjust 3 level of brightness with a touch on top of the V15AFL. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, our dedicated customer service team is here to help.